Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a beer called Ayinger Celebrator Doppelbock. But before we do, and you end up liking this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell for more great beer reviews. So Ayinger Celebrator Doppelbock is brewed by the Ayinger Private Brewery, a brewery located in the village of Ayinger, Bavarian, Germany. The brewery was established in 1878, and Ayinger Celebrator Doppelbock has been brewed for over a century, making it one of the most iconic doublebocks in the world. This beer comes in at 6.7% with 24 IBUs and is classified as a doppelbock, a strong lager originally brewed by monks in Germany for sustenance during Lent. Let's see, the beer is a malt-forward featuring Munich and caramel malts that lend in its signature flavor. It's a moderately carbonated, striking a balance that enhances its rich maltness. The finish is long and warming with lingering notes of toasted bread and a hint of cocoa. Ayinger Celebrator has been brewed for over a century and is regarded as a benchmark for the doppelbock style. This beer originates from Bavaria, Germany, a region renowned for its exceptional brewing traditions. It has received numerous awards for its exceptional quality, including World Beer Cup honors. Let's see, while it can be enjoyed year-round, it is especially popular in colder months due to its warming qualities. Ayinger uses traditional decoction mashing, which intensifies the malt flavors. The beer is brewed with bottom fermenting lager yeast, contributing to its clean finish. Let's see, Celebrator is widely considered one of the finest examples of doppelbock worldwide. So, I looked at the bottle. There isn't really any more information on here that you would learn anything, just normal warnings, and that's it. Getting ready for that to squirt out real hard. A doppelbock. Beautiful looking beer. Just a beauty. There's probably 2 pinkies worth. Thinking. Kind of cold in here. Well, do it this way, there's 2. Tons of carbonation going up. So it's well carbonated. Wow, definitely has a roasted malt aroma. And you also get caramel and toffee. And plums. So I hope my dog don't bark. She's over here looking at me. They've never been in here when I've made videos. Figure as long as they can behave, they can hang out in here. I'm okay with it. As long as you're okay with it. Well, it's that time. Bottoms up. Well, I definitely get roasted caramel. I definitely get roasted malts. You get caramel, and I think molasses. Definitely get molasses. Put my dog on video if she jumps up. Come on, buddy. Get up here. Come on. Come on. No? Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Come on, buddy. There you are. See, how's it? Well, she didn't make much of an appearance. Maybe for a couple of seconds. I definitely get some molasses as well. A little bit of lacing there. If anybody cares about that. I myself, I do not. All I care about is it's cold and good. And you know it's going to be carbonated if it's good. Because if it was not carbonated, it wouldn't be good. So, as long as it's good. The garbage is over there. So I'd say it is very good. I'm sure people have noticed that my videos are a little different. So I'm reading a script that I write out first. Then I talk about the beer afterwards. Seems to work pretty good. I don't remember where I got this beer. I believe it was in Rochester, Minnesota. So all the way down in Rochester. Now this one I will not put up on the wall. As you can see, we got a good collection back there. Now if you'd like us to review your beer, or review a beer for you, we'll have the address in the description. Send us some beer. There's no limit of what you can send. You can send as much as you want. And then when we're done, we'll put it up somewhere on the wall. We'll make room. We'll make tons of room. Cold weather is coming back Wednesday in the state of Minnesota, which really bites the big one. I mean, I don't mind cold, but real cold sucks. That's such a really cold beer. You better watch it. This might go down kind of fast. This is a very good tasting beer. I reviewed a few before from this brand, this brewery, and I just don't remember what they were. I looked today and there was 2 of them, and I don't remember much about the beers. When you do a couple hundred, they kind of blend together. Unless it's one of the really, I'm not going to say bad, but maybe memorable beers. They're very memorable. So I think that's probably going to do it. I'd say this beer is probably an 8. A very good tasting beer. And if you get a chance to get a good deal on it, buy it. It's good. 6.7% I think it was. I think that's what I read. 6.7. There ain't much on this. Just the design. Nothing else worth mentioning. Just a normal mumbo jumbo. Government warning. I don't need to tell you that. So, just remember, you want your beer up here, send us some beer. And that's probably going to do it. I'd say this is, well, I did say an 8. Remember to like and subscribe if you liked the video. Thanks for joining us. See you next time. Peace.